Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Math, Section 1.3, Problem 26. This is Section 1.3, Problem 26. It says a pail that has been left outside has water in it that is 33 millimeters deep. If 28 millimeters of rain falls, how deep would the water be in the pail? So what you have is the pail has 33 millimeters of water in it to start off with. You add another 28 millimeters of water to it from the rainfall, and you would add those together. And now you can start by combining the digits in the far right column. 3 plus 8 is 11. So for the 11, I put the one from the right half of the 11 under the column of digits that I added. And the one from the left side of the 11 I carry to the top of the next column of digits that I have to add. And then I will add 1 plus 3 plus 2. So 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 2 more is 6. So I get an answer of 61. Now, because this is an application problem and it has units of measures in it, I should include units of measure in my answer. So not just 61, but 61 millimeters deep. And you can abbreviate that mm for millimeter. There would be 61 millimeters of water in the pail.